This is Modern Refugee. I want to show you guys how an easy way to make a salt and pepper shaker. Sometimes Mama gets upset when I take her salt and pepper shakers outside to the fire pit or out to the grill. And I'm kind of a can hoarder anyway. I like cans of different sizes. You can use them for a bunch of different things, store spices in, or one other thing that I do is I make candles in them, and that's going to be another video down the road. But I want to show you here how I'm going to make a salt and pepper shaker out of these little artichoke jars. And what you do is you just take a nail. You could use a drill too, but this is kind of off-grid style, so we're just going to use a hammer and a nail. And all you do is you take it and you pierce a pattern in the top of the can lid, just like this. And if you want to get fancy, you could even make an S for salt and a P for pepper if you wanted to, but what it looks like is it looks like that. And because I'm going in from the top, the little burr that it makes when I punch the nail through is going to be on the bottom side of it, and the top's going to be all nice, perfectly smooth, just like this. And because these jars have a real wide mouth on them, they're really, really easy to pour your spices into them. So you can pour your pepper in just like that and not even spill any. Give a little shake. Put your lid on. Now you got a pepper shaker that you can leave outside and not have to worry about it, or leave by the grill. Same thing goes for salt. Just pour your salt in. Of course, if the salt's not cooperating, so we're just going to open this up a little bit more. But as you can see, when it shakes out real nice, just like that. So, don't throw your jars out. They got a million different purposes. You guys have a good day.